Here's how to create a threaded bottle cap in FreeCAD 1.1. Create a new sketch in the Part Design workbench. Select the XY plane to sketch on. Then select the Circle from Center tool. Click on the origin and drag the mouse. Enter 33 mm for the diameter and press Enter to apply. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Select the Pad feature to extrude the circle. Check the Reversed box to extrude it to the downside. Enter a length of 23 mm and click on OK to apply. Click on this edge to select it. To round it, select the Fillet tool. Enter a radius of 5 mm and click next to the box to see the preview. Click on OK to apply. Now it's time to create the threaded hole on the bottom side of the cap. Click on this face and create a new sketch. Select the Circle from Center tool and draw a circle on the origin. Just click to create the circle. The diameter is not important here. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Now select the Hole tool. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. For Standard, select Isometric Regular. For the size, select M30, maybe not a realistic size, but this will fit the one from the bottle model. Uncheck Drill Angle to end with a flat side. For the depth, enter 20 mm. For the hole type, select Modeled Thread and check Update Thread View to make it visible. Now you have a good preview of how the thread will look. Click on OK to apply the threaded hole. And the threaded bottle cap model is finished. In another video, the cap will be placed on a bottle in the FreeCAD assembly workbench. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.